In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WhatsApp files on phone. By the end, you'll know exactly where your WhatsApp photos, videos, documents, and voice notes live on your device, and how to view or manage them safely. Start by opening the file manager that came with your phone. Depending on your device, it might be called Files, My Files, File Manager, or something similar. You'll find it on your home screen, in the app drawer, or by swiping down and searching for files. If the app asks for permission to access storage, grant it so you can see your media. Next, choose internal storage. This is the main storage on your phone. If you also use an SD card and intentionally set WhatsApp to save there, you can open the SD card instead, but for most people, internal storage is the right place. Now carefully follow this exact path. Open the Android folder, then Media, then Com WhatsApp, then WhatsApp, and finally Media. Take your time here. Each folder leads you one level deeper. You're looking specifically for Android, not Android data. The media path is readable in modern Android versions, so you shouldn't need any special tricks or third-party apps. Inside the media folder, WhatsApp organizes everything by type, so it's easy to find what you need. You'll typically see folders like WhatsApp images for photos you received or saved, WhatsApp video for videos, WhatsApp documents for PDFs and other files, and voice notes for those short audio messages. Many of these folders also include a sent subfolder that holds the items you shared with others. Open the folder that matches what you're looking for and tap a file to preview it. From most file managers, you can press and hold on a file to copy, move, rename, or share it. If you're cleaning up space, consider backing up important items to cloud storage before deleting them. Avoid moving files out of the WhatsApp media structure if you still want WhatsApp to recognize them. Making copies is safer. If you don't see the WhatsApp folders, make sure you've recently downloaded or saved something in WhatsApp so the folders exist. And confirm your file manager has storage permissions. Keeping your phone and file manager app up to date also helps. This walkthrough applies to Android devices. On iPhone, WhatsApp Media is typically available in Photos if you've enabled saving, or directly inside WhatsApp chats. That's it. Open your file manager, go to internal storage, follow Android Media, come WhatsApp, WhatsApp Media, and browse the folders you need. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.